Hello again from Homrevet. So this is part 2, as I realized that this is the main part of the beach and where it is the most sand. As the previous episode I did it a bit further from the main part, and there were like also lots of different pebbles on the beach, but here it is 99% sand as far as I can see. And it really is an amazing beach, and I really wanted to show you the real part of the beach. And here we can see that there is even a sign. There it says there is a kiosk in Swedish, or kiosk in English. So yeah, I'm all alone on the beach. I really don't understand where are the people. As I was passing by earlier here today, like not so early though, like 3 hours before this, or maybe 2, and it was basically people everywhere. Now it is completely empty. Where are the people? Did they went for dinner? Maybe yes. Maybe it's only me that eats dinner quite late. But yeah, it is 7 p.m. and I'm gonna take a swim also here now again for the second time at Homrevet. Before I head to the Nudist beach that I'm gonna show you later. I suppose there is no one even there, but there were lots of people earlier there when I was running along the coast. Here someone attempted to do some kind of a sand figure. Not sure what this is supposed to be, but yeah. Homrevet, Öland. June 24th, 19 degrees in the air and 18 degrees in the sea. Some statistics and information for what day is it today and so on and so forth. And yes, I'm really looking forward for yet another swim and to enjoy in the Baltic Sea as much as I can. Today I got very nice color because of the sun. Let's see, I may need to use some more sunscreen because the sun is bad for you if you are not protected, especially in the summer. So yes, Homrevet, this is how it looks like also from the water. And I don't see a single soul in the horizon here. I'm now starting to wondering, is there some kind of event happening now? Because there were plenty of people in the beach earlier. So I'm gonna check out also if there is no one on Böda Coast, which is the main part of the beach. It was super crowded earlier today. Anyway, it's time for a swim, so let's go! Amazing. It's so beautiful. So beautiful indeed. Ah, I'm glad I did one more episode here at Homrevet because I took one more swim. So this is going to be probably the last beach adventure for today. I'm gonna do one more at the Nudist beach. So thank you so much for watching this episode from Homrevet part 2. And see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris!